We've all had that fear, waking up to an account frozen notification. What if you could have the slick experience of Neobank, earn 50 times more interest, but you are the only one who can move the money? Always do your own research before investing in any financial or crypto-related projects or products that we do talk about on this channel, because we are not financial advisors and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's get into it. And if you want to get involved in the project in any capacity, the links to do so will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. I'm excited to bring you this one. Alrighty folks, I'm really excited to be talking to you today about Zeal.app, the website, and the Zeal app itself. 4.9 star reviews available on the App Store and the Apple Store. Okay, so earn 5.1%, spend it instantly, earn every second, and spend it globally with the debit card guys. So they boast their one balance efficiency here on the Zeal app, okay? So what's it all about? Let's just be honest. Traditional banking is inefficient, at least once you've experienced cryptocurrency. You basically just have a savings bucket and a checking bucket when it comes to traditional banking. Zeal actually solves this right now, not in the future. It's doing it now. One app and just one balance. You don't need to spend time moving money around. It essentially unifies your financial life. You are saving and earning interest on every single dollar, right up until the moment you pay for that overpriced coffee. Then there's its unfreezable architecture. Ideally, this looks like a neobank, but under the hood, it's basically a self-custody wallet, so you control it. Because it uses self-custody via passkeys, so way more secure. There are no routine blocks or compliance freezes that you need to worry about from a central authority. Who's got time for that anymore? Your money is never frozen, and it is always ready to spend and withdraw at your disposal. You keep the convenience, but you go ahead and add real control at no extra cost. And then we talk about the yield experiment, which is something that I am very interested in. So let's take a quick look at the math here. In a traditional bank, you're going to be getting 0.1% interest if you're lucky. What Zeal does is it goes and plugs into vetted DeFi protocols, and that gives you institutional rates, which currently hover around 5% APY. It provides that similar fintech experience with DeFi yields. You're essentially cutting out the middleman in this process and keeping the profit. Then there's the payment bridge. The final piece of the puzzle is Gnosis Pay, Visa card integration. This is what bridges the gap between internet money and real-world money. You tap the card and then it verifies your funds via your self-custody wallet, and the transaction settles. That essentially makes your crypto spendable anywhere, anytime. There's also the gas fee abstraction. You don't need to hoard Ethereum to pay for gas fees. You pay the fees in the token automatically that you're sending. So for example, in USDC, if you're sending that, the fees are automatically paid in USDC. It really just feels like a standard bank fee, but far less complex. And I just love the transparency. There's no hidden fees or rules in place here. What you see is what you get. So if you're someone that wants to run your own financial experiment and see if you can fire your bank, check out Zeal with the link below in the pinned comment section and in the description of this video. It's the closest we've seen today to true financial sovereignty. Also with an amazing user interface, you can't really go wrong. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment if you're going to pick up the Zeal app today with the card in the comment section below, and do turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos which might benefit you. We'll see you in the next video.